guys, I hope that you are doing well. So today it's very big rain, and then we were planning to go somewhere, but unfortunately it was a very big rain, and we just decided to go to Sanur because close by our house. This is actually the brand new place in Sanur, and then it's very hype nowadays, and then we will look around and maybe we'll have a coffee later on.
Actually, this is not a brand new place, it's just refurbished. However, it's very beautiful. They have a beautiful gardens, and I will show you around because it's actually pretty nice here when it's rainy, right? It's actually pretty nice. I will show you now. Check this out. This is the lobby with the big, nice statue, and it's beautiful rain. So this place, it's called, where we are going, it's called Byrd House or Byrd House.
This one is called Hotel Segara Village. Maybe for those who have been here in Hotel Segara Village, it's actually they are refurbished some of the parts of the hotel, and then you see that surround. I think that they have a brand new swimming pool and they have a brand new restaurant, also a beachfront restaurant. So we will show you later on how it is. But
meanwhile, please enjoy the gardens and surroundings because it's actually pretty nice, especially when it's rainy. But I think the rain is very heavy because even there are little floods in the hotel. This is of course not their fault.
And then you see there's the new playground in this area. Oh my god.
Little floodilla. This is like a pool.
Yeah.
Water is warm actually during even this rainy. Yeah, they have a playground where obviously no kids nowadays, I mean during this weather. Actually swimming, yeah, in the pool I can see already they swimming around. So even if the rain and actually heavy rain, this is nothing wrong to swim in the pool, especially if you are a small kid. Check this out. People enjoying their time, and this is the Byrd House. Kinda bar, beach club, yes, something like that.
So let's have a coffee then.
Let's have a coffee. Let's see how does it look like around. Rain is very big, by the way, all the time.
Okay guys, so we are here now in the Hotel Segara Village Sanur. It's a very big raining, so we decided to have a coffee and cake. And this one, the Segara Village Sanur, is just refurbished. And I think this place is gonna be the new hype place. You see, I really like the setting of the, what is it called, table setting here. It's very nice. They also have a brand new bakery shop, so that's why we decided to have a coffee and cake. And I really like the architecture of the building. They just refurbished it. Okay guys, so we just decided to have a coffee and cake. It was a big raining and then it's very cold. Yeah, having a hot coffee and then beautiful nice cake. It's so nice. Today we were recording you know, my foodie channel in the one warung just close by our house because it's very big raining and we plan to go somewhere, but unfortunately we changed our plan. And thank you so much for those viewers, for those subscribers who already subscribed my foodie channel. And then thank you so much for your positive feedbacks and all your comments regarding to my foodie channel. For the improvement, I think that for the next video, I will make it in fully English. Little bit, some of the part I will make it in Bahasa Indonesia, but most of them is just English to make you easier to understand the content of the video that I'm making. So once again, thank you so much for your support. I'm so happy for that. And then please more subscribes and I will create more videos regarding to the original authentic foods in Bali.
Sayang, now you have a coconut also additionally, yeah? Okay.
Okay guys, I forgot to remind you, my video will be once a week, will be published every Saturday morning. At what time, honey?
I think about 8 o'clock Bali time, so everybody have a time to watch your lovely videos.
Yeah, so I will publish videos regarding to the all about the food in Bali, in Indonesia, that you can try later on when you come to Bali. So you can, you know, support me by keep watching and subscribe my channel. And yeah, thank you so much.
And if you are interested where we are, this beautiful background, this is the same place actually, but they have a closed area with the cakes there and everything, with the aircon. I'm born in the cold country, so aircon is very important. For you, it's cold, Sayang? Do you feel cold?
No.
Okay, that's good. Enjoy, yeah? It's raining actually quite a long time already. And also on the way here from the South Sanur to North Sanur, where is this place, there was a lot of floods on the main road, on the Jalan Bypass Road. So that was actually big rain, and it's a lot of floods nowadays. And it seems like nothing is going to change. So sorry as we show you only one place today, but it's actually, we never vlog here, so I hope so you still enjoy. Anyway, even in strong rain, heavy rain, in Bali still a lot of kids swimming there in the pool, and the beautiful statues. It's actually pretty nice during the rain also in Bali. Like every day is nice in Bali in general. By the way, we just realized that they have a Scandinavian countries consulate here, like Norway, Finland and Sweden. If you're interested, or maybe you're coming from these countries, right?
Yeah, it's beautiful statue. Okay guys, so if you are thinking like where is your consulate, if you are from Finland or the countries that like Damian mentioned, so your consulate here.
Not that bad place for consulate actually.
Hotel. Okay guys, so this is how it is in Sanur beach today. Normally when it is not raining and sunny, you know, like on the weekend, Sunday must be full of people. You see, but today it seems like so quiet because of the rain, obviously. But still, I can see that the kids, they are playing soccer. And then that one is the hotel of the Grand Ina Hotel. Okay guys, I think that's all our video today in Sanur. Sanur again, I know, but it's nice. Okay, I think that's all our video today guys. Thanks for watching. And once again, thank you so much for watching my foodie channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And for the next episode, will be fully in English. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye. Look, oh my goodness, this is a very big rain and big flood in Sanur. See, I hope that there are no victims. You see, so big rain.